Hi friends, this is session 8. In this session, I shall discuss about the career prospect in human safety and environment. HAC in short. HAC is a plan document that introduces to ensure the health, safety and environmental issues are rightly implemented and properly covered in a project when construction activities are in progress. HSE management system means implementation of the HSE policy and achievement of the HSE target means ultimately zero accident. Hence, if you are looking for HSE as a career, you should have certification of Institution of Occupational Safety and Health, in short IOSH. IOSH is the world's biggest professional and safety membership and is as well the only chartered body for health and safety professionals. Another is National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health, in short NEBOSH, NEBOSH, a UK-based organization offering professional qualifications in health, safety and environmental management. NEBOSH training course take considerably longer period than IOSH, and this having a higher level of qualification at the end of NEBOSH diploma are a level 6 qualification and degree level. For both the courses, the basic qualification needed to be graduate. HSC manager directly reports to the project manager. He plays one of the key roles in the project management team. The choice of HSC department as a career will give you future growth and prospect. A career in HSC also give you a lucrative remuneration and you will enjoy the dynamic career prospect. HSC have high demand internationally. Now, all the industrial sectors have to follow the HSE matrix and it is mandatory to maintain the HSE norms. In the next session, I shall discuss about the career growth in pre-commissioning. If you like this session, please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you to be with me in this session.